So we have implicit differentiation, implicit function, and we have to find the derivative at a specific point. Okay, so let's apply the derivative on both sides. Sine y equals sine x minus y. If you apply derivative on both sides with respect to x, the derivative of sine y, the derivative of sine into x minus y. So the derivative of sine y is going to be cosine y. But the function is y, it's not x. Like the derivative of sine x is just cosine x. But when you have a different function, you would have to apply the derivative of function. So cosine y times derivative of the function means dy by dx. Apply the derivative on sine into x minus y will be cosine x minus y times derivative of the inner function, that will be x minus y. So it's going to be cosine y dy by dx equals cosine x minus y. What's the derivative of x? 1. Derivative of y, dy by dx. Now, if you take a look at this equation, we have derivative dy by dx on both sides of the equation. So we have to somehow simplify and isolate dy by dx. So what can we do with that? We can just multiply cosine x minus y inside the parentheses. So you would get cosine y dy by dx equals cosine x minus y. When you will multiply this whole thing with 1, you would get this one. And then multiply with dy by dx, you would get negative dy by dx cosine x minus y. And then, because we have to isolate dy by dx, we have to take this one on the left side, or you can just add this thing on both sides. You would get cosine y dy by dx plus dy by dx cosine x minus y equals cosine x minus y. Okay. Now, next step, we have to factor out dy by dx. Factor out dy by dx. It's going to be cosine y inside the parentheses, this one, plus this one, cosine x minus y. Close, equals cosine x minus y. Okay, now you're done with the derivative, almost done. So you can just divide this whole thing on both sides to get dy by dx. That will be cosine x minus y divided by this one. Cosine y plus cosine x minus y. That's the derivative. But we have to find the derivative at a specific point. And the point was, I think, pi over 2, pi over 4. Pi over 2, pi over 4. The point is pi over 2, comma pi over 4, right? So you can just plug in. It means x is pi over 2 and y is pi over 4. Cosine pi over 2 minus pi over 4. You can just simplify. Cosine pi over 4 plus cosine pi over 2 minus pi over 4. So you have to simplify and write the required result. Like pi over 2 minus pi over 4 is going to be 2 pi minus pi, which would be pi over 4. Pi over 2 minus pi over 4. Pi over 4, yeah. So cosine pi over 4 over cosine pi over 4 plus cosine pi over 4. To simplify this expression, what is cosine pi over 4, by the way? I think it's 1 over square root 2.
Yeah.
1 over square root 2 over 1 over square root 2 plus 1 over square root 2. Just simplify this expression to write your final result. 1 over square root 2 is 2 square root 2, this one. So 1 over square root 2 times square root 2 over 2, cancel out. Your final result is going to be 1/2.
Yes.